And also in last video we saw how can we move MDF and LDF files of user databases from one SAN location to different SAN location. So basically we moved HR databases MDF and LDF files from data01 to data02 and similarly log01 to log02. Now in this video we are going to migrate system databases. So last time we used user databases, and in this video we use system databases excluding master. So for master database, to migrate master database we have to do something else, some extra things. We'll see that in next video, but as part of this video we'll migrate all system databases excluding master. Okay, so the steps are exact same what we perform for user databases. Only thing is, since we cannot individually take, so as we saw last time, HR databases we could take offline directly, but we cannot take master or any system databases directly offline. Reason being, other databases are also dependent on that. So we'll try that. So if I go back and there is no option at all. Ideally, see, there is no option. Maybe we'll try with the script. So let's try. So instead of HR, I will use msdb set offline. It will throw an error. You cannot make that offline because there are other databases as well dependent. So only way is to make that happen, because this step is crucial in order to take that effect. So moment you will run that alter statement to modify MDF and LDF file location, unless you restart the database, that change will not take effect. So only way to do that when it comes to system databases is restart the service. So that's why moment you restart the service, SQL Server service, there is a downtime involved. So make sure whenever you will change this path of system databases, there will be a downtime. Alright, so what I will do, let me copy this guy. We'll do it one by one, and I will change it to master. Perfect. And excluding master, so let's try first model DB. Perfect. And let me grab that alter command as well. Alright, so I will change the database. This is model dev, model log. Perfect. Model.mdf, model log.mdf LDF. Perfect. Execute. Now next step is we have to move the actual files. So before that I will take those databases offline. So let me, I cannot take that database offline, so only way is, let me stop the service. I'll go to SQL Server Configuration Manager. Stop the service, because you cannot move the files unless you stop the service. Okay, SQL Server service is stopped now. Let's move the files. I'll open okay, so what was the original path? GMS SQL. I'll copy this guy. Continue. Okay, so we are migrating model database. Model MDF and model log LDF. I'll cut it, and we are moving that to Y drive. Perfect. And model log will be moving it to Z drive. Perfect. And let me bring the service online now. Okay, another step is we have to check if it has access. So let's validate that also. So after copying the file, let's validate. has access. So it does have access. Validate it for data 02 as well. Does have access. Perfect. Bring it online. Perfect. Everything is running. Let's validate. So it got changed to Y and Z. Let's do it for msdb as well. So alright, I'll copy this guy and first I will change the database name, logical file. Perfect. Hit take the service offline. Perfect. And now move the files. So model data, sorry, msdb, yeah, msdb. Perfect. And I'll go to Z drive, msdb log. Perfect. Let's check the permissions. It does has. It does have. Okay. Let's bring the service online. Perfect. And refresh it. Let's validate. Perfect. Okay, now the last database, I mean temp database, even we don't have to move those files and all, but let's do that anyway. Okay, I'll have to add one more. All right, log file. Perfect. Temp dev, temp db, temp log, temp log. Perfect. All right, bring the database offline. Move the files. Now temp files are not available here, so let's check. So those were in VMS SQL. Temp. So where I am moving the MDF file is going to Y. That is MS SQL 2. Right, and remaining two are going to log. Perfect. Let's check the. It does have. Okay, so let's restart it. Perfect. And if I refresh, everything is online. So let's validate once again. Okay, so except master database now, remaining all databases are either on Y or Z drive. Alright, so we have successfully migrated user databases as well as system databases excluding master to our new storage. Now only thing which is pending is master database, and that we'll see in the next video. So thank you for watching this video and see you in the next video.